In this video, I'm going to show you how to add columns from different sheets in Excel in just a few simple steps. Click on cell C2 to select it. The cell highlights with a blue border. Type equals B2 plus sheet 2 exclamation point B2 into the cell and press enter. The formula calculates and the result 900 appears in cell C2. This adds the 200 from sheet 1 to the 700 from sheet 2. Click cell C2 again to select it, then grab the small square handle at the bottom right corner and drag it down to cell C4. Release the mouse and the formula copies down, calculating 350 in C3 and 550 in C4. Each row now adds its sheet 1 value to the matching row from sheet 2. Click the sheet 2 tab at the bottom to view the source data your formula is pulling from. You'll see the 700, 500, and 300 values in column B. Click back to the Sheet 1 tab to return to your combined results. If your formula shows a ref error, double-check that Sheet 2 actually exists and that the cell reference matches a real cell with data in it. You can reference any sheet in your workbook using this same pattern. Just type the sheet name followed by an exclamation point and the cell address. To update the values, change the numbers on either sheet and the formula recalculates instantly. This works for any calculation, not just addition, subtract, multiply, divide, or use any Excel function across sheets the same way. When working with sheet names that contain spaces or special characters, wrap the name in single quotes in your formula, and that's how to add columns from different sheets in Excel. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.